Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Korean BBQ. Okay, now we're gonna marinate the beef first. And we have leek. We just need a little bit. We don't need a lot. Okay. Chopped onion. Mince it up. Okay, now we're gonna combine the pear. And why I put the pear? Because the pear is sweet. Asian pear is really sweet, so it's kind of bring all the flavor into the sauce. Now after we combine all garlic, pear, and leek and onion in here, we're gonna combine all the sauce. This is so good when you marinate it. If you don't have a lot of time, you can marinate only an hour. But if you can marinate overnight, the flavor gonna go into the beef and tender. It's so good. This is short rib beef, so I'm gonna marinate it in. And also I have the pork belly, but today I'm not gonna marinate pork belly. I marinate only the beef. Okay, now it's ready, so I'm gonna put it in the fridge, and let's see when it's done. I'm gonna show you guys how to grill it. Okay, now I'm going to make a dipping sauce, Korean dipping sauce. I'm gonna use maybe half because this chili is so spicy. You can skip this part, the chili, it's optional. Okay, now we're gonna use the Korean paste. Korean chili paste, maybe a teaspoon. This is the seasoned soybean paste. It's samjang for Korean for dipping sauce, and then I use that one too. 2 teaspoons. One tablespoon of sugar. And mix it up. I'm going to add half teaspoon of chili powder, Korean chili powder. Now it's ready. I'm going to clean it up, and also we're gonna grill the Korean ribs. Let's see. Hi, I'm back. Now I'm drinking with red blend from Oregon, matched with the Korean rib BBQ. Okay, let's start. Now, oh, this grill is so amazing. I love it. I got it and I love it. Now, moment of truth. We're gonna try this one together. They have a little bit of lettuce. This one I don't know what we call, but I got from Korean store, so I really like it. And we're gonna put more pieces in here. A little bit kimchi, and the spicy dipping sauce in there. And just wrap like this. It is so good, guys. Don't forget. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, just leave the comment down there and I will comment back or reply back to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.